Good morning, student. You are studying biology of standard 10. In biology, I taught you about function of blood, about blood vessels, about arteries. I am going to teach about veins, that blood vessel, veins. Second number, veins. A vein carries deoxygenated blood. Vein carry deoxygenated blood, towards the heart. All the veins except pulmonary vein carry deoxygenated blood. Veins have thin and less muscular wall. You can see in picture. Small veins are called venules. These are formed from capillaries and joined to form veins. It joined to, form vein. They collect the blood from various parts of the body and empty in the heart. These are superficially situated and can be seen from the surface of the skin. Blood flows smoothly at low pressure through them. The vein have internal wall to prevent the backflow of blood. Number third, capillaries. Capillaries are microscopic vessels that carry blood from arterioles to small veins or venules. Small veins or venules. The wall of a capillaries is formed of a single layer of endothelial cell. Understand? They lie in contact with body tissues. Capillaries supply food and oxygen to the tissues and cells and remove wastage. The leukocyte squeeze out through the capillaries walls into the surrounding tissue to attack the invading bacteria. The phenomena of squeezing out of the leukocyte is called diapedesis. Understand? Try to understand about difference between arteries and veins. Number 1, characteristics. Direction of blood flow. Artery. Blood flows from heart to body organ, but in veins, blood flows from body organ to heart. Second, nature of blood. Oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, and in veins, deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins present. Number 3, pressure and speed. In arteries, blood flows under high pressure with a high speed, but in veins, blood flows under low pressure and with low speed. Number 4, valve. Wall of arteries is thick, more elastic and non-collapsible. Wall is thin in vein, less elastic and is collapsible. Lumen, lumen narrow, and in veins lumen wide. Position, try to understand about position. Artery mostly located in deeper part of the body, and veins mostly located close to the skin. Valves, internal walls are absent in artery, and in veins have internal semilunar valves to prevent a back flow of blood. Color appear in pink in color, and color of blood in veins appear dark in red in color. Blood volume, about 15% of blood at any given time, and in veins about 64% of blood any given time at any given time. After death, artery become empty and veins contain blood. Thanks for today. Today's homework you will write difference between artery and veins.